Okay, so Microsoft Word is a word processor published by Microsoft. Microsoft is a company who has published this Microsoft Word. It is known as MS Word, WinWord or just Word. Means Microsoft Word को हम MS Word के नाम से भी बोलते हैं या फिर WinWord के नाम से या फिर only Word के नाम से भी हम इसको पहचानते हैं in computers. Very good morning, Kanak. Originally developed by Charles Simeone and Richard Proti, it was first released in 1990. So Microsoft Word is released in 1990. It is available for Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac OS. Okay. So now moving to the next one. So how we can start MS Word means अगर आपको आपके कंप्यूटर में MS Word की एप्लीकेशन को खोलना है तो कैसे खोलोगे? So I will share the steps. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to click on start button given in your system. After that, you can just start typing the name of application. So our name of application is WORD Word. Either you can write Word or you can type MS Word. The search will open automatically as you type. So as you will write MS Word or Word, you can
Ma'am?
see. Yes.
Ma'am, I have don't I have taken class join now. That's why it is late. That's why, ma'am, please you can tell me page number.
Okay, topic name is Getting Started with Word. You can open chapter number 2 and search for topic Getting Started with Word. I have shared the screen and you can match the topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you able to find? Topic
Yes,
name is
ma'am.
Getting Started. Okay, very good. Now we will continue. So what you have to write? You have to click on Start button. After that, you have to write WORD. As you will type WORD, you will be able to see the screen like this. So this is the app we have to open.
Yes, ma'am.
Open. The start screen will appear and click on the blank document. Okay, now what I will do, I will show you these steps. Okay, I will share my PC. Just give me 1 minute. So what we have to do in this search bar, we have to write WORD Word. As I have written Word, it is showing me this app. Everyone able to see? Now we have to click on this app. So when I will click on this app, it will open this application for me. Okay, so this is the application. This is called Microsoft Word or we can call it MS Word. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
application. What's application, ma'am?
What is the meaning of application? Application means a software. Yes.
एप्लीकेशन का नाम क्या है?
Word. MS Word.
Okay.
Your chapter name is your application name. Okay. Now moving to the next topic, that is parts of Word window. When the Word application is started, following windows appear on the monitor. Okay, so this is the window of your application. So these are some name, like this is your file tab from where you can open your file. I will show you this thing. This is your file tab. So whenever you will click on file tab, these are the option you will get. Okay. Next is your quick access bar tool. So this is your quick access bar tool. This one. Okay. So next is your insertion panel, means where you can insert anything. I will just go back and open new one. So I don't want to save this. I will open it again. Okay, so this is your insertion, means from where you can write anything is called insertion panel. Next is your ruler. Ruler means कुछ specific area from where you want to start. Next is status bar, means it will tell you the status, like it is in running mode or it is in stop mode or it is in saving mode. Okay, and this is your title bar. Title bar means name of your page. Okay, so here you can see document 1 Microsoft Word. So this is the title of your MS Word page. So this is all about. Now, Hitesh, what happened? Why you are sending this kind of emojis? Kapil, why you are laughing? What happened? Please put your phones on mute mode, students. Okay, so now creating new document in MS Word. Next topic is new document creation in Word. So till now what we have learned how we can open MS Word in our system and how we can create new documents. So now these are the steps. Click on the File tab, select the new document dialog. Hitesh, why you are sending annotation? Are you aware your class is going to be recorded and will be checked by principal ma'am? So whatever you are sending on the screen, it will be visible to principal ma'am also. So stop sending me this annotation request. Okay? Hitesh. Now, after clicking on the File tab, second step, select New. The New Document dialog box appears. Select Blank Document. It will be highlighted by default. A new blank document appears in MS Word window. Shortcut key for creating new document is Control N. So what we have to do? So this is the application. So either you can press Control N. So I have pressed Control N from my screen. So this is by default. Tithi Meena is waiting. 1 second.
मैम
Yes,
मैंने अपनी क्लास की है
I'm sorry. Yes, tell me who was asking. Sanjit. Yes, tell me what happened.
मैम व्हाट इज द पेज
We are reading this topic, chapter number 2, new document creation in Word.
अभी नया नाम नहीं है क्या संजीत मैम पेज नंबर
I'm not having page number in this system. I'm not having book with me, but it is a chapter number 2, topic number 8, that is new document creation in Word. Students, anyone having book in their hands, they can tell the page number.
मैम इन विच बुक
Coding, Code Vidya.
24 पेज नंबर
Page number is 77. Okay? Is it okay now?
मैम
Okay, so now we will continue.
नो मैम
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to open our app. Okay, so this is your file tab. You have to click on new, and this is your blank document. So we have to click on this. So whenever you will click on blank document, this will be open for you. Yes, yes, tell me.
which app मैम
Uh,
पेज नंबर इज 24
Who told me 77 right now?
मैम
Yes, yes, Kritika.
मैम which app you had till now
We are learning MS Word, Microsoft Word.
पेज नंबर 22
Page number 22, chapter number 2. Okay?
yes ma'am but
Yes,
I
ma'am,
know
but I know.
I'm just
I'm
asking that
just asking
what
that
you have tell
what
which
you have
app
done, which app.
App is
App
WORD
is
Word. This app.
WORD word. This app.
This one.
This one.
ma'am your voice
Ma'am,
is
your voice is
repeating
repeating.
Students, please put your
Students,
phones on
please
mute
put your
phone.
phones on mute phone.
Mute mode. That's why it's repeating.
doubt
1 second.
Sorry, ma'am. Page number 24.
Okay, page number is 24 and topic name is new document creation in Word. So I will just explain it again because some students has joined right now. That's why I will explain it each and every step again. So I am closing this app. So what we have to do, how we can open this app in our system. So you have to go here search bar and write here WORD. Okay, so whenever you will write this thing, this app will be displayed. So you have to click on this app,
Ma'am,
nothing
page
else.
number.
Chapter number 2, page number 24. Kapil, you can leave this meeting if you don't want to listen because you are busy in sending annotation request. Okay, if you don't want to study, you can leave this meeting. No need to join. So in this way, we can open our app. Now, next topic is how we can open a new document. So for that, you have to click on the file tab. After that, you have to click on this new option. And last step, you have to click on blank document. So whenever you will click on blank document, you will be able to see this page. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts, students?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
No
No,
doubts?
ma'am. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So we have learned how we can. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is file tab?
File tab. This is the file tab where you can save your file, where you can open your file, from where you can create new document. So file tab means एक ऐसा ऑप्शन है आपके इस MS वर्ड में जहां से आप न्यू फाइल्स बना सकते हो, नए डॉक्यूमेंट बना सकते हो, या फिर उन डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव कर सकते हो, या फिर उन्हें क्लोज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so all this available in under file tab. So whatever we have in this menu bar, all this called tab, file tab, home tab. Okay, so yes, tell me.
How to save document?
I will tell you. I will tell you right now. Okay. So next topic is save document in MS Word. Like how we can save our files in MS Word. So first option again same. Click on the file tab. So I will move back to my screen. So this is your file tab. Suppose I am writing here learning. You can clear your doubts in last 10 minutes, students. First listen to me, then I will listen to you. Okay? So suppose we have created this file. Okay, so this is the file we have created. Now we want to save this file. What we have to do? You have to click on file option. Radhika, you can, Radhika, listen to me. Radhika, listen to me. You can note it down your doubt. Okay, in last 10 minutes, when doubt session will be there, then you can clear your all doubts. Okay, is it clear, Radhika? Okay, now put your phones on mute mode. Now what we have to do, we have created a file. We have to save. Click on the file tab here and click on save button. So whenever you will click on the save button, it will ask for the location. So these are the location available where you want to save. Suppose I want to save this file on desktop. So I am clicking on desktop. Okay, after that there is the file name you have to choose. So this is the default file name. You can put your name also, your class, whatever you want to put. Okay, so I am not changing the name, or you can change, it's your choice. Now just click on the save button. So this will save your file. Now we will move back to desktop. This is your desktop and this is the file we have created right now. Okay, so in this way we can save our files. Next is open document in MS Word. Same option in file tab. This is one is available. We have to click on open, then click on browse and click on the file we want to open and then click on the open button. Next, to open the file you can also double click it after you find it. So there are two ways to open your file. So what we have to do, we will move back to our applications. It's closed. I will open it again. So in this way we can open our application. Now if you want to open a created file, so click on the file tab, click on the open button. Now these are different files. So as we know that we have saved our files in desktop, so we will select here desktop option and this is the file name. Either you can double click on it or just single click and click on open. So whenever you will do this, your file will be open. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
I think
Ma'am, what is today's homework?
I will give it to you.
Today's homework.
I will.
Yes, yes, I will give it to you. Hold on.
Yes, I will give it to you.